Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just something a little bit different today, guys. I've just been sitting here watching TV, and I keep hearing this noise that's coming from outside, and I couldn't think to the life of me what the hell it was. I've got me fan on because it's absolutely roasting today in the UK, and I couldn't think what this noise was coming from. And there's a bird that looks like he's stuck in the roof. So if I just lift the camera up, guys, you'll see there's like a gap that runs all the way along. You'll see it goes all the way along. It's a bit difficult to see the gap. There's the bird there, can you see him there, look? Just sticking his head out. And I couldn't think to the life of me, what the hell is that noise? And there's a bird there that's actually making this noise. If you look all the way along the actual wall there, there's no gap there, but if you come up here, there's a gap just along here, and then there's a bird that's making a noise along this gap here, and I just couldn't think where the noise was coming from. Ah, there he is. So it looks like he's pushing some fluff or dirt or something. Every time I move the camera, he decides to... There he is. Hello. Shall I try and feed him? I'll try and get some food, guys, and I'll try and feed him. So, guys, I've got a Mario worm here, or super worm, whatever you want to call it. So I've just crushed the head slightly. So let's just see if it'll tick it off me. There he is, just there, look. Just zoom in for you guys. Sorry about that, I'm just doing it with one hand, you see. You take it. You can see that fluff, look, see how he's pushing it all out. Oh, it could be the stuff that you put in your loft. But it looks like he's not he's not interested in this worm here. Oh, there he's pushing it all out, look. Could be building a nest or something up there, I don't know what. Could be a sparrow or starling, something like that. But yeah, guys, I just thought I'd show you because it was just, I was just racking my brains thinking, what the hell is that noise coming from? And yeah, I don't think he'll pop his head out. Oh, there he is. Where are you? There he is. I don't think he's going to take it. Yeah, they're taking it by now. No. Worth a try, guys. So I thought I'd just show something a bit different, guys, you know. It's always nice to do something different on the channel. Oh, there he is. Where are you? Oh well, never mind. Thanks for watching, guys.